Hey, it's me, your FBI agent.
Okay?
You visit some weird website, Citizen Coon.
Why are you walking into my house? Could you please not touch that?
You got a new laptop, I see. If you're innocent, you got nothing to hide. Let me in or I'll bust your door down, Citizen Coon.
Not again.
I'm gonna take a look at your PC.
Wait! I told you not to look.
Why do you have KGB-chan on your desktop? You a traitor? You communist scum?
I know my rights.
Boys, get the helicopter ready and waiting.